All right, what's going on, fam? We're jumping right into this video. So, as you guys know, this my Uncle John's known as Driver One. This is his GT500, and it is the exact, when I tell you the exact same build as Zeus. The only difference is, like I talked in the previous video, was talking about the headers and stuff. He has stock manifolds, and I have 2-inch Cook's headers. But as you can see, everything is the exact same. Blower's ported, but you can't tell because over on his, he swapped over his factory stuff. He put that on and that. But this is a VMP Predator lid, but it is undercover. It makes it look stock, which I do kind of like. And then he's got the upgraded throttle body also, JLT, 245 pulley with the green belt, VMP little ice box. So we're running the exact same stuff. And now he's got the welds back on. I finally came back to him. He's got the matching set. So we're gonna see what it does today. We also got John's GT500 here, back with it, 13-14 body style. And then we have Chuck. Chuck, all right, guys, you want all these guys to go follow you on YouTube? Are you getting famous or what?
I was kidding. But actually, go ahead and follow me. If you all follow me, and then I might actually start a YouTube.
All right.
Wait, hold up. I got to delete on my whole video first.
All right, it's 1320 Chuck. Go follow him. It's going to be funny. So, this is it. I wanted to give you guys an update. I don't know if you...
Update since last weekend.
This is the update. You guys, if you haven't tapped in and saw the other videos, so what we did was sway bar is off the front of the car. We're going to see if we can get a better 60 foot now. If you guys want to figure out how to disconnect your front sway bar, we did a full video on it. We showed it, and it's actually really easy.
You started a porting service. Show them your port job.
Oh yeah, I did even ported some stuff. And Colin did no spoilers. So we were going full racing, boys. We were diving into this. We got the Raptor R today. We might run it. I don't know. I haven't decided. I got my helmet in the truck, but it'd be kind of cool to see. But if you guys want a little secret what to do to get a little extra HP out of your car, I took a Dremel and Dremeled every single one of these holes out, made them a lot bigger so a lot more air goes right in. Only did some that are directly going right towards the cone, but that's open now, ready to rock. I think this is it. I really don't think there's nothing left to do to your car to go 10s.
There's a lot left. K-member.
I mean, yeah, that stuff. No, I'm talking like stuff without spending money.
The only thing left, like,
I'm saying not...
Power-wise, though, like, there's nothing I can do for
You can do the pulleys. You can do the little pulleys and stuff like I did.
Yeah, and cams, but that's all. Once I get up to that stuff, I'm spending like $100.
Yeah, you're not gonna. It's not worth it. I'm not spending that money either. It's stupid.
I guess I'm gonna put everything in here. Like,
All right.
20 pounds out my car.
We're doing it. It's locked. So, boys, we are not racing tonight. We are coming to help the team. I'm helping the uncle. I'm helping Colin. Trying to get everyone as fast as possible. But I wanted to jump on here and literally tell you, I think we figured out the GT500 because, like I said, his car is the exact same setup as mine. And I think once we figure out how to dial his in, obviously we'll do the same exact changes to mine. And therefore, we should run the same exact time. But it's about to go. We're going to get it done. Hopefully, everything goes good. Fingers crossed, and drop a like on this video, boys. Much love. Road to 100K. Let's get it. Got two going at the same exact time, John and Chuck. Let's get her done. All right, boys. Chuck in the left lane, John in the right lane. 10s and 9s. Come on, baby.
That felt like a pretty good run. It hooked up on that bitch. Well, thank you. 11.2, 126, 17, 60. 100 in the 8th. That's pretty good. Usually was about 97 in the 8th, so not bad. 8th, 7.3. Huh. And that was, I believe, about 2,000 RPM.
All right, so first launch did not go as planned. John went a 10-1. We're trying to figure out the car, dial it in. Like I said, we had the problems with Zeus. Now we have the problems with this one. When you have a new build, it's a little tricky to get things done, but we are launching the car now at 2,500 RPMs, and we were having trouble with line lock. I don't know why. It's just technology in these cars that sometimes can be a major problem. But yeah, we're gonna try to get this done. Chuck went a personal best 11.2, so we're ready to rock, and we're gonna see what the car does. He's gonna try the e-brake this time, e-brake it up to like 25, 2,700, and the fast guys are here, Billy and Chris. Fastest guys on the East Coast. What up, Bill?
How are you?
Good. So yeah, boys, we're gonna see what it does. We're trying to get Chuck in the 10s. We're gonna get John in the 9s. I wish he took off the wicker bill right there, that little thing right there. That's good for 3 miles an hour on the track. I've tested it and proven it. So that's definitely hurting him. His mile an hour, I think, was 145, so that would have put him at right 148. Well, doesn't get better than this. Chevrolet versus Ford. This actually looks so sick right now. That Camaro kind of like, I like the hood on the Camaro because it kind of looks like the Shelby hood. That is a 5th gen ZL1. You really don't see too many of them. Kind of like it. Oh shit, look what we got here. Mustang, Camaro, Mustang, and Camaro. Well, I gotta put my money anywhere, I'm putting it on the Fords. You guys already know that. There you go, John. There you go, Chuck. That's it. That's gotta be it. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! 11-1, 128. Holy shit, that was a good one. Chuck, holy shit, we did it. Did you?
Dude.
Fastest pass ever in McApplebee's.
1.6.
Dude, that was a good 60 foot. Dude, you almost hit 129 miles an hour.
Get 2 more mile an hour on that. I don't know.
I don't know.
That's right there.
I mean, you got out of the hole a lot harder, so your RPMs were a lot better. So wait, oh yeah, you didn't even hit 100 in the 8th that
I
time.
don't know how I won 100 the first time and then 99 the second.
Dude, it's so weird. But you got a better 60 foot, 1.6, so now you're 11.1 at almost 129 miles an hour. That's good as shit.
That was 2,500.
That was at 20. What can you go up to max?
27.
Crank it all the way up. Break some tonight. All right, well, let it cool down. We'll get it chilled. It's not really not even that hot. All right, we're good. We're gonna run it back. This is John's daily driver that his son James driving, my cousin. Absolute unit of a truck. 50-some thousand miles on it with the Whipple. Truck runs consistent 11.9. That is savage. 4-door, fully loaded Lariat with a nice cow hood and some sticky tires on it. See what Baby Yodi goes. I'm 99% sure it's in 4-wheel drive, so he's gonna launch the crap out of it. Damn! He's gone! There we go, John. There we go. All right, come on, John, let's get her done. Hopefully the audio is good. That Audi R8 looks so sick right there. Yes! $9.99. Let's go, John. Come on, 1320, Chuck. Chuck. Hey, Colin, pump the brakes. Let's go. Oh my God, 11:04, 129.
Pretty please, come on. Come on. I don't know, that was right at 25 and it hooked up. It looked like my speed was low, but it seems like whatever is in here, it's higher when I get my... Come on. Praying to baby Jesus right now. Can you stop talking? Trying to get my time split. Karen, come on. Okay. Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep, I'm gonna slit my wrist. 11:05, 129. Everything the same. 7/1, 8th, 99 8th, 60 foot, 1/6.
We're running, boys. Driver 1! You did it! 999. Chuck! You almost...
Dude, I'm right there. What did you talk?
11:04.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I went 129 that time.
That thing was moving.
Dude, it didn't feel like it left that hard that time.
Dude,
either.
I'm telling you, that thing took off. I was like, Chuck!
Dude.
Let me see
I
this.
saw the Durango next to me,
Dude,
and I was like, wow, I didn't
1660 foot, 11:04. It almost had, dude, you know how fast 130 miles an hour is for
How do I
motor?
go from 11.3, 11.2, 11.1, and 11.0 now?
Sway bar.
the same thing.
Hey, sway bar's off, the spoiler's off, lighter tires. Now we gotta rip your diffuser and full exhaust off tomorrow.
Now we need a skinnier guy to drive it right now.
I got it.
Hey, take your front seat out and sit on the milk crate.
I'm about to.
Dude, that's
Holy
good. That
shit.
is good. Your car left's good.
That felt,
Dude, it was like boom. It looked like a stock pass.
it felt good.
What's your mile an hour?
God damn.
9 point. Dude, it's gonna fight us. One. I mean, you had to get in with a millisecond of it.
It couldn't get any closer to 10.
I know.
I got work to do right now.
What can
She
we?
likes to be hot. I should run it back right
What
now.
can we take off the car right now? Is the real question.
You know when I ran it, my temp was at 196 at the line.
Yeah.
It was hot as fuck. Yeah.
Me too.
Holy shit, McGappleby's running back. Take every plastic cover off you can right now. All right, so this is an 11.0 car right now, as it sits. Yep, there she is. Holy shit,
Am I gonna lose my virginity tonight or not?
you are. Boys, you think we're playing
This
around?
one's for the fans back home.
You think we're... Bring that mat over here. Fill it up with all this stuff. You think we're playing games around here, huh? I'm taking your cloth hat. There we go. You think this is a joke? This ain't no joke. You got a lot. Oh, you got your wallet. I'm about to steal his $10. That's my $10. Yeah, watch this. I found a 10. That's his. I stole a $10 bill.
Take my money out. My wallet's heavy. Take it out.
All right, that's it. We're good. How much you think that weighs?
5 pounds.
Oh, that's it. You're doing it. Put it in the Raptor. All right, boys. Last pass of the night. John Shelby, let's get it going. There we go. There we go. Oh, fucker, hey, come on. Oh. There we go. There you go, John. Come on. Yes, sir. That truck that just went, it looked like it dropped a lot of stuff when it wheel hopped. I don't know if y'all could see that. Looks like rocks. Something weird. I think that's it. Go! Go, truck, go! Let's go! 1090, 129.
Thank you. Let's go! Let's go!
Chuck!
There he is.
Holy shit.
There he is.
Mission accomplished.
Suspension's making weird noises right now. I think I snapped.
Hey, who cares?
We went 10s.
Holy shit.
Let me see that time slip.
I picked it up and I was like, fuck, I went 11.4. And then I was like, wait, that's my number, 302. 1090, baby.
1090, so you did 101 in the 8th, 129.14.
What was your 60 foot on that one?
165.
That was your best 60 foot. That was the lowest one.
Oh, that's my best 8th too.
Yeah.
7.0.
In 101.
Holy
See, it's that
shit.
second